joke apart. Okay, so let's have a serious business. NLP, sorry, not NEP, NLP. Unless and until we are comfortable with NLP, it will be difficult for us to, its amalgamation with OP. Okay, slider. Yeah. Yes. So first we need to understand what is NLP, that is natural language processing, and its role in education. Okay. So basically NLP's role in education is it's basically enhance educational practice by analyzing unstructured data. From last 3-4 days everybody talks about data. So those who are not from computing background, they should please understand that data is a gold. Nowadays data is considered as important as that of gold. So data is considered as a modern age gold, and by analyzing this unstructured data, we are facilitating personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, not only administrative tasks, but the personalized learning for improved students' engagement and educational outcomes. This is what basically NLP in OBE. Now, OBE, we have seen that outcome-based education, we mainly focus on 3 aspects. If you try to take out the gist of OBE, it will be a knowledge, skill, and behavior. All 12 POs are categorized into these 3 areas, broader areas: cognitive skills, metacognitive skills, psychomotor, and all. So these 3 main areas, that is knowledge, skills, behavior, these are the 3 important areas. And here, by implementing OBE, we are moving ahead towards a future direction. Future direction of OBE is not without implementation of AI and NLP. NLP is basically the advanced version of AI. NLP itself includes AI. So NLP is not without AI. It has machine learning in education. Now, after machine learning, what is machine learning? Basically helps us, machine learning algorithms facilitate us to have an analysis of educational data, enabling personalized learning experiences and efficient assessment methods in order to have enhanced students' engagement and performance outcomes. Every time we talked about personalized, enhanced students' outcome. We want that students to get meaningful information, not only information, meaningful skill sets out of certain course, out of certain programs, and for that matter, we are going to have some or other kind of algorithms which will analyze what students are expecting. Every student is a different entity. Every student has a different mind. Every student has a different dislikings, skill sets, behavioral differentiation. Everything is different. Why? Because he or she is a different mind. Everybody who is sitting has some or other kind of thought process. Now, if everybody sitting over here is a different mind, different individual, different thought process, then how it will be if I'm going to give same content to all? Okay? Just imagine, you all are sitting here and I'm going to serve, let's say, I have a call away Roshan, and I call him and ask him to serve Pani Puri amongst all. So maybe this portion will be very happy. लड़कियों को पानी पूरी थोड़ी ज़्यादा पसंद होती है. And this portion may not be much bothered. क्या पानी पूरी खाना? हाँ, अगर मैं कुछ अगर अलग टाइप का ये दे दूँ, ठीक है? So this side will be very happy. Personalized. What is the gist of the story? If we are going to give personalized itinerary, personalized item to the learners, learners will be more than happy. Maybe the students sitting on second bench, first bench, they are more, talented. They can acquire the input from the speaker or from the, board easily. Whereas students sitting on the last bench may not be that comfortable. Sometimes even it may be the case that they are, means the students sitting on the last bench, they are clever enough, but they are not so good in the communication part. They are the quick learners, but they are not comfortable in English. That may be a problem. So NLP is there to help us out to overcome all these barriers. And trust me all, NLP, AI, all tools are there, but they are not without human intervention. To be very precise, they are not without the involvement of moderator. Moderator is going to play a very important role. It's the teacher. In a modern days, teacher will not be a teacher. He or she will be a facilitator or a moderator, because information is there. Students have information on a single click. AI chatbots, NLP models will be available with them. Personalized bots, in a modern days, you will find that personalized AI assistants, Vadegavkar sir, a couple of days back, he told about it. Okay, personalized AI assistant के बाद NLP will provide us personalized chatbots. After 5 years or after 10 years, every institute may have a personalized chatbot. Like for every individual student, she may have a different chatbot, she may have a different, she may have a different, he may have a different, he may have a different. And in that case, according to the every student's understanding, liking and disliking, bots will communicate with them. If she is comfortable in, let's say, Hindi, bot will interact in Hindi, probably beyond the language barriers. If somebody is convenient in Telugu, so bot is comfortable in Telugu also. What is more important, rather than a language, what is more important is outcome. And what is outcome? In case of technical aspects, what is more important is our student must be able to perform whatever the skill sets we have defined at the beginning as a course outcome or as a program outcome. Our student should acquire all these skill sets irrespective of the barriers like language, irrespective of the barriers like communication abilities and so on. So NLP is there to facilitate teacher or a facilitator after some interval. So to help these facilitator in providing better outcomes and better results, the NLP and AI will be there. Why I bring that रस्सी? I want some volunteers, ठीक है, जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है वो थोड़ा सामने आए. आप खुद बताएंगे या मैं बुलाऊं जिनको नींद आ रही है, so that they will also feel lively. ठीक है, बैठे बैठे थक गए हैं, करना है कुछ काम, ठीक है, अंताक्षरी नहीं खेलना है, डोंट वरी. Okay, around 6 people I need. 4 from this, 2 from this. Any 2 buddies? Yes, very good. Volunteers are most welcome. Otherwise, dictators are always there. Don't worry. आप खुद आएंगे या फिर मैं बुलाऊं? अच्छा, आ रहे क्या? आओ आओ. Very good. Please have a big round of applause for the volunteers. इधर से भी आओ. नहीं नहीं, आप मत आओ. सारे फर्स्ट रो से आएंगे ना, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ, एनीबडी? आप आते बोलते मैडम? आतिश बोलते? आओ. गुड. नाही तुम्ही आमची अपेक्षा मॅडम. And anybody from this side? Anybody? हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट कोटा फुलफिल हो गया है वैसे, but still 1 or 2 more can be taken up. Any? These are PG students. PG students? Okay. ठीक. Now, this is what we have, a rassi. But before that, we want, some handkerchief to close your eyes. आपके आंखों को पट्टी बांधना है हमको. कानून की वो देवता बनाना है सबको. ठीक है क्या? क्या बांधेंगे फिर आप? Because we don't want you guys to see. आप लोगों को दिखे नहीं ऐसा हम चाहते हैं. You please हेल्प देम आउट. कच पक्का बांधना. सर थोडीशी ओपन करून द्या प्लीज मला. ए रमोर एक दुसरं टोक पकड त्याचं. मेक श्योर दैट दे वोंट बी एबल टू सी एनीथिंग. सबको कॉमन नहीं कैसे कैसे चलेगा. कम ऑन. दैट इज द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ लॉजिक आई हैव सीन एवर. एक एक को बांधना पड़ेगा मैडम, अलग अलग. बांध दो सर उनको. चश्मा निकालना पड़ेगा. अरे चश्मे के ऊपर बांधेंगे क्या? आउटकम आना चाहिए ना. लेकिन ये आपको पता है, हमको नहीं पता ना. वी आर नॉट वेरी श्योर. हाँ दिख रहा क्या? इतना सांस नहीं. पता चला आउटकम एक दो बेहोश हो गए लेक्चर के बाद. दिस शुड नॉट बी द केस. बस अमोल एक काम कर, त्याला तिथे हे करून टाक. म्हणजे एक टोक देते अमोलला तिकडलं. अमोल हे हां त्याला गुंडाळून ठेव फक्त बस. म्हणजे हे टोक त्याला हे कर, सो दॅट इट विल बी यू नो दुहेरी होऊन जाईल ते. हाँ अपेक्षा मैडम ये कितने है? कितने है ये तो बताओ. तुक्का तो मारो. दिखना नहीं चाहिए किसी को. हाँ बस 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 इतके खूप जास्त लंबी आहे कदाचित ती. बांधू. कितना है देखो टोटल. हाँ ऑल आर रेडी. हाँ कोई एक आ जाओ ऊपर. आपके साइड से कोई एक सामने आ जाओ. लाओ इन सबको अंधों को इधर लाओ. मतलब पकड़ के लाओ. अनुप सही. हाँ रुको रुको. दे रे दे. तो बोला दे इकडे. लक्ष्मी मैडम दिस इज वन कॉर्नर ऑफ रस्सी. ठीक है. हाँ इन दोनों को थोड़ा समोर गया समोर गया. हाथ हाथ छोड़ दो अभी. दिस इज अनदर पार्ट ऑफ रस्सी. अपेक्षा मैडम बस बस बस. आप ये रस्सी को संभल के देखिए, गिरना पड़ना नहीं है. हाँ पैर वैर देखिए. हाँ इनको लाओ इधर. इधर लाओ. हाँ क्या नाम है इनका? शुभकीर्ती मैडम. हाँ शुभकीर्ती मैडम पहा अंगावर धडपडू नका. पकड़ा. हाँ थोड़ा सा इनको इधर ले लो. और इधर लो और इधर लो इधर लो. इधर इधर वो अपेक्षा मैडम के बाजू में लो. पैर पैर. हाँ पैर. पता चला आउटकम भलता ही जा रहा है. हाँ नहीं नहीं इनका मोनाली मोनाली. हाँ गिवर सायरा मॅडम को दे दो. इथे ठेवा कुठे ठेवा. फक्त बी व्हेरी केअरफुल. बस. हाँ अनुप सर यांना घ्या. लाओ दास सर को लाओ इधर. इधर लाओ इधर लाओ. हाँ वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. आपको कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, मैं समझ गया. हाँ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. कान खुले रखने हैं, कान नहीं बंद करना है. रस्सी है ना. सर तुमचं नाव अमित ना? अभिजीत अभिजीत. हाँ टेक हिम हियर. अरे रुको रुको रुको. ऊपर से लाना. पैर ऊपर करके लाओ. हाँ चलो ठीक है ये भी चलेगा. ठीक है सर इसको गुंडा लो. एक कॉर्नर अपन इसको इनके हाथ में देंगे. एक बड़ा राउंड तैयार करिए. हां दॅट वे. थांब रे बाबा, फोटो नंतर काढ. म्हणजे OBA मध्ये लोक कानाला नाकाला बांधून तोंडाला बांधून काय करून राहिलं. शाळासारखा स्पॉन्सरशिप काही. Why this I'll tell you afterwards, don't worry. Sir, this is one side. ठीक है, अभिजीत सर. Okay, one corner is with अभिजीत सर. पकड़ लो. One corner is with लक्ष्मी मैडम. ठीक है. अब सायरा मैडम, shift to your left. Your left. अरे लेफ्ट मतलब टर्न नहीं, शिफ्ट. थोड़ा सरकिए. दो कदम और सरकिए. और हाँ उल्टा. शुभ कीर्ति मैडम, अगेन लेफ्ट. कीप ऑन योर लेफ्ट. हाँ, मूव ऑन लेफ्ट. इधर विजय मैडम, राइट. शिफ्ट टू योर राइट. राइट. और चलते जाइए. बस जाते जाइए. बस. हाँ, अपेक्षा मैडम, शिफ्ट टू योर राइट. और सरकिए ना, सरकिए. आप गिरने से पहले हम आपको बता देंगे. पीछे आगे क्यों आ रहे हैं आप? पीछे. ओके, नाउ दैट्स इट. They all are learners. They have enough information available with them, but they don't have any facilitator at this stage. Okay, at stage 1, let us assume this as a stage 1. आप पाँचों छह लोग, ठीक है. Now what you will have to do is you will have to prepare one circle amongst yourself. ठीक है, आप 6 लोग मिलके एक छोटा सा सर्कल बनाना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ रस्सी. ठीक है, amongst you 6. मतलब outcome expected is in couple of minutes after this you all must be there in one circle. Okay, so you have to decide by your own. आप 6 लोग आपस में बात करके डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि सर्कल कैसे बनाना है. Okay, but you have 2 minutes for this. ठीक है, if at all you require you can reduce the distance of रस्सी. Okay, but everything has to be completed in a 1 minute span. 2 minutes बोला था मैंने, थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं. ठीक है, in a span of 1 minute. अमोल घड़ा आएगा, स्टॉप वॉच. ठीक है, हाँ अनूप सर. So your time starts now. टाइम सांगत चला. 20 seconds over. Thirty seconds over. ओके, स्टॉप. अब अपनी पट्टियां खोलो. आपका सर्कल कैसे बना है देखो. दिस इज योर सर्कल. ओके, दिस इज युअर सर्कल. ओके, एक फोटो काढून घ्या यार या सर्कलचा. आमचा सर्कल कसा दिसून राहिला. ठीक आहे, दिस इज व्हॉट द सर्कल इज. हां, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, नाउ 6 more immediately please come forward. ठीक है, now we'll provide one moderator. ओके, पट से आ जाओ. 2 तुमच्या साइडनी पण या. यादव सर, प्रतीक सर, आप आ जाओ. हाँ ठीक है, ये रस्सी ऐसे ही छोड़ दो. आपको मॉडरेट करना है अभी. हाँ ठीक है, बेटा मॉडरेट करना है मतलब हाँ, इन लोगों को बताना है हाउ टू गो हेड. ठीक है, पट्टी आएगा, पट्टी बांधना पड़ेगा ना. पट्टी तो बांधना पड़ेगा, खुले आग से नहीं. पट्टी 6 buddies are required. Come fast. The power of moderator we would like to see. फटाफट बांधो रे. पुरते का? ओके ठीक है, I'll moderate, don't worry, sit. 6 लोग चाहिए अपने को, बस ज्यादा नहीं. How many are here? एक नहीं, 4 है कि 3 है? अरे एक, वन बडी प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड फास्ट. हाँ, एक लक्ष्मी मैडम दे दो उनके हाथ में. हाँ, एक इनके हाथ में दो. मयूरी मैडम या बस तो गिरा दोगे. हाँ पकड़ बस. हाँ प्रतीक, एक प्रतीक सर के हाथ में दो. प्रतीक सर वो दे दो. हाँ लवली सर देखो मत. हाँ बस. ओके सो चश्मा देखो बाबा. हाँ बाकी बैठ सकते हैं, डोंट वरी. ओके नाउ लिसन अप. टास्क इज सेम. टाइमर यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू विद द टाइमर. ठीक है, बैठ सकते हैं आप मैडम. टास्क इज सेम. रस्सी इज देयर विथ एवरीबडी. ओके तुम चाहते तो रस्सी आएगा. अरे मैडम इनको लाइए इधर. अच्छा हाँ, इनके हाथ में रस्सी दे दीजिए. अरे नहीं ऐसा. हाँ ठीक है. ओके नाउ टाइम स्टार्ट जब मैं बोलूंगा, अनूप सर विल स्टार्ट टाइमर. आई एम योर फैसिलिटेटर. यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी ओनली. ठीक है, ये 6 लोग जो है वो सिर्फ मेरी सुनने वाले हैं. मैं उनका फैसिलिटेटर हूँ. विल हैव टू अकम्प्लिश, रादर वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ सर्कल विद इन अ मिनट. ओके 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले सारे मैडम आप रस्सी जमा करिए अपने हाथ में. लेफ्ट हाथ में रस्सी जमा करिए. एवरीबडी जमा करिए रस्सी उतनी जब तक वो टाइट नहीं दिखती. बस टाइट नहीं होती है. जमा करिए फास्ट. मेक इट फास्ट. हाँ देन प्रतीक सर शिफ्ट टू योर लेफ्ट. शिफ्ट टू योर लेफ्ट. शिफ्ट टू योर लेफ्ट. मयूरी पीछे. मयूरी पीछे 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 पीछे. इधर चेतना मैडम राइट. टुवर्ड्स योर राइट. टुवर्ड्स योर राइट. टुवर्ड्स योर राइट. टुवर्ड्स योर राइट. प्रतीक सर टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट. प्रतीक सर टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट. ठीक है, पूरा सर्कल. सभी लोग लेफ्ट. इधर आपके ये जो साइड है इधर इधर सरकिए. इधर 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 इधर. चेतना मैडम एंड प्रतीक सर कोलैबोरेट. बस स्टॉप. थोड़ी सी पीछे सरकिए. ठीक है, हाँ स्टॉप. 43 seconds we are able to form a circle. You can open your eyes. ठीक है, आप सब लोग अराउंड एक सर्कल में आ गए थे, फॉर्मेशन में आ गए थे. ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ स्पेस इट कुडंट, बट यू कुड फॉर्म अ सर्कल. ठीक है, सो फोटो काढला. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज now please try to understand. In earlier case we have given 1 minute, but we could not. Rather we were about to, but still we could not. And in second case what you have seen is just because of the addition of facilitator or a moderator, task was about to be completed in 45 seconds. 43 seconds उनका specific time है, so it could be achieved in a 43 seconds. So that's the difference between a student learning himself. Self-learning is there. Okay, we have a tools like NPTEL, Swayam and so many. Self-learning is essential, but if self-learning will have additional flavor of moderator or facilitator, it enhances the understanding. It enhances the the flavor of learning. Okay, and this is what the way we'll have to add NLP in our regular teaching learning process. Now with the help of this NLP, it will have a transformative learning experience. Why? Because NLP will foster interactive learning by enabling personalized feedback and adaptive learning pathways from the students. Now, what is meant by adaptive learning? Okay, हमारे कंप्यूटर साइंस में adaptive learning, adaptive algorithms ये सब होता है. What do you mean by adaptive? Can anybody? Adaptive का मतलब क्या होता है? Exactly, very true, very nice. So adaptive means we human being or we people must be adaptable. Like we should be able to change ourselves, accustom ourselves as per the change in situation. Okay, that's why it has been said that humans are adaptable in nature. Okay, same way we want that our AI tool, our learning module, our tech facilitator must be adaptive in nature. Okay, if today I am not interested to learn mathematics, then my personalized chatbot should not talk about mathematics. आज अगर मेरा हिस्ट्री पढ़ने का मन है बिकॉज मैं छावा देख के आया हूं, सो माई चैटबॉट शुड बिहेव अकॉर्डिंगली. देन ओनली द लर्नर विल बी हैप्पी एंड विल टेक पार्ट, विल इंटरैक्ट विद द चैटबॉट. ओके, बट उसके भी कुछ डिसएडवांटेज है दैट विल लुक आफ्टरवर्ड्स. देन streamline administrative process. Okay, why administrative processes are playing very important role? Can somebody? Students are there, students are performing. With the help of the performance, whatever the students are doing, whatever the things they are performing, we the administrators are drawing some conclusion out of it. We are here to draw some patterns out of it. Okay, what kind of patterns students are following, because sometimes it may be the case that student is continuously or consistently weak in mathematics. Sometimes it may happen that कि जब टेस्ट मंडे को होती है student is not performing really good. check. Okay, so if this is the pattern कि हर संडे के बाद जब भी टेस्ट होता है, मे बी अ सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स, मे बी अ सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री, मे बी अ सब्जेक्ट साइंस, मे बी अ सब्जेक्ट लाइक फिजिक्स, so on every Monday student is not able to score well. Now as a facilitator, as an administrator, if you try to analyze the fact, it may be the case that you will come to know that it may be the case that you will come to know on Sunday parents and entire family they are living together, and that's why student is not able to study on Sunday. This might be the conclusion you came up with. So on Monday, it's better to avoid test. If you would like to find out, if you would like to check what actual outcome, whether he or she is getting or not, in that particular case, avoid Monday for conducting tests. This is what the administrative pattern, the administrative analysis we came to know. Okay. So for that matter, administrative processes are playing a very vital and an important role with the help of NLP. Then enhanced data utilization. So NLP provides analytics with the insight from student interaction, informing curriculum adjustment and improving educational strategies. Now, what is curriculum adjustment? So what Mukhare sir, he just told us that as per the student's requirement, the curriculum or the content of the subjects may be kept flexible. If some students are really good on the cyber security part, the content related to the cyber security will be given. If somebody is really good in mathematical part, then algorithms are mostly focused. If somebody is really good in law part, ethical part, then cyber security and law part will be kept in front of him. Why? Because he is more interested in the law kind of stuff. So this is what the personalized learning as far as courses are concerned, and it will be possible with the help of NLP and analytics in the learning. Okay. Benefits, of course, it enhance the language support. अच्छा, NLP का एक बहुत important role जो होता है वो semantic analysis करके कहा जाता है. Now from the usual speaking and the expression, these tools are able to tell us what exactly the speaker is trying to convey. Okay, so this is a very important and essential tool. So it enhances the language support. Language barriers are simply eliminated. Data driven insights, so it provides us a real time transactions and the real time data as far as the speakers and the learners are concerned, and scalable learning solutions. ओके, ओबी फ्रेमवर्क मैं ज़्यादा नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 days यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट और यू आर लिसनिंग टू ओबी 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 पे मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा. ओके, द ओनली क्रक्स, मागे मागे चल लो था, द ओनली क्रक्स अबाउट दिस ओबी इज दैट it should be like we want that active learning engagements are to be there. Active, what is meant by active learning engagement? We want that our students to take part in the discussion, in the deliberations, in the entire activities going on in the class. Okay, then personalized learning paths, adopt to individual learning styles. Simply just an example, if somebody are really comfortable, some people are really good in analyzing the patterns with the help of graphical presentations like graphs. Some people are really good in analyzing the things from graphs, so in that case I will provide them a graph. Some people are really good in reading and finding out the patterns out of the entire text, so for them instead of giving pictorial form I will provide them a point wise text form. So this is what the personalized learning paths our NLP will offer to the students. And again ये सारा जो चल रहा है, why, what for? Enhance learning outcomes. Motive क्या है? Our ultimate goal, our ultimate aim is our end user, that is student, should be get benefited out of it. Otherwise हम 100 बातें कर रहे हैं. If students are not really actively engaged into it, if he is not happy, if she is not really enjoying the things whatever we are delivering or whatever we are putting in front of him, it's not of any use. We want that our students must be actively engaged and they must get whatever they want. Collaboration and communication. It fosters the teamwork and social skills, preparing students for collaborative environment for their future careers. अच्छा, challenges की बात ना करें तो ही better है, because everybody knows that institutional resistance. In true spirit, it's really challenging for the institution, including us and many good and reputed institutions as well, to implement this OBE in true spirit. Professional development gaps. There is always a big gap between expected and a realistic one. And finally, assessment alignment issues. We need to address this assessment alignment issue. Then only we can say that we are implementing OBE framework in a true spirit. Okay. We want that our tutorials and our evaluating methodologies must be intelligent enough. This should not be the monotonous one, or it should not be the same for all. The thing should not be like that. If somebody is really good, then in that case, for him, the same paper will be there as if he is the fresh learner. We want that according to the level, according to the capabilities of the student. Ultimate aim is not giving him marks. Ultimate aim is not giving him a grade card. Ultimate aim is to foster him to enhance his skill sets. And for that matter, if somebody is a good learner, for them, the personalized and the challenging tasks must be given. So let us say, if he is up to 90 level, then his task will be at 100 level, 100% level. If somebody is at 60% level, then 75% task is challenging for him or her. So we want that assignments and evaluations to be done in a personalized way. If we are doing this, then we can say that we are implementing OBE. ठीक है, एक महाप्रसाद जैसा we are not expecting कि महाप्रसाद बनाया और सबको बांट दिया. This is not OBE. And if we want to implement this, NLP is a best solution because it analyzes the personalized capabilities, it analyzes the personalized likings and dislikings, and assessment and evaluations will be conducted based on every individual's abilities. Few people are really good in MCQ form. Trust me, MCQ solve करना बहुत difficult होता है, सबके बस की बात नहीं होती है. अगर ऐसा होता तो हर कोई गेट क्वालिफाई होता. ओके, सो आई एम प्राउडली सेइंग दैट कि मेरी बस की बात नहीं थी, सो आई कुडंट. ठीक है, हमारे अनूप सर थे तो वो कर आए. अच्छा, आपको पता है क्या यस क्वालिफाइड गेट, पता है कि नहीं? ओके, सो मैं बता रहा हूँ. सो रिसेंटली यस क्वालिफाइड गेट, तालियां वालियां बजाओ, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. हाँ, ओके. सो adaptive learning environment, personalized evaluation system. Okay, so we don't want that it should be same for all, it should be personalized, it should be modified according to the strength of individual, it should be modified according to the real time data. Okay, we want that automated grading and feedback mechanisms to be implemented in our system to make OBE more effective. Now, how this automated grading? We have seen that already he is 90% and the task given for him was of 100%. अगर वो नहीं जमा तो उसको फेल कर देंगे क्या? Already it is at tough level. So we have to normalize it. We have to come to a level where everybody will be graded as per their capabilities, as per the task assigned to them. So this personalized evaluation, personalized grading is a tough task, but this can be implemented with the help of NLP. So for that matter, we have a consistent and accurate evaluation. It of course enhances the efficiency. Instant feedback out of this will be there and it reduces the burnout. Okay. Then finally, timely and constructive feedback to आएगा ही. We have assumed it. And finally, the scalability and efficiency. So automated system can handle large volume of assessment in a very effective and efficient way. It won't take much of your time. It provides us input in a very quick way and that too with the patterns. Okay. I'm not going to the details. Okay. Now what is sentiment analysis for student feedback? Particularly, थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर वाला पार्ट है, लेक्सिकॉन एंड लिंग्विस्टिक रिसोर्सेज. बेसिकली इट वर्क्स ऑन टोकनाइजेशंस. ओके, छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में, सेगमेंट्स में डेटा डिवाइड करता है एंड देन इट परफॉर्म्स द एनालिसिस. सो बाय सिस्टमैटिकली एनालाइजिंग द स्टूडेंट्स फीडबैक थ्रू द सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस, educators can identify specific areas for improvement and enabling target intervention that enhances teaching effectiveness and foster a more supportive learning environment. Okay. So adaptive environment, we want that our system to adapt the changes as the requirement changes. This is what we call it as adaptive learning environment. खाना हो गया है क्या? चेहरे पर से लग रहा है ना, इसलिए पूछा. Okay. Last and very important is NLP powered chatbot for student support. As I said, the coming days would be of chatbots. We are going to have a chatbot and you can see that this chatbot will play a magnificent role in the future. Now it's the teacher who is going to have a very clear and a constant watch whether these bots are supporting positive kind of input और ऐसा तो नहीं कि हमारा बॉट बच्चे को कहीं भलते ही साइड लेके जा रहा है. Because these chatbots are trained, they are basically trained. Sometimes it goes as per the expected direction, but sometimes it may change your direction. ठीक है. Recently अभी अमेश सर ने शायद बताया होगा आपको कि X they have come up with their new chat GPT kind of a system. ठीक है, Grok. Okay. Why Grok is considered as a modern tool enabled bot? किसी को कुछ idea? It's basically unfiltered. It's not providing the input by filtering or by eliminating. Sensor type का output वो नहीं देता है. It is strictly as per whatever the things are or whatever the data is available with that bot. So sometimes it's शिव्या वगैरे सगळं आहे त्यात. हां, तेच म्हणूनच म्हटलं. So it's completely humanoid bot. आप अगर उसको 2 गाली दोगे तो वो 4 गाली आपको दे सकता है, इतना पावरफुल है. और आज का जनरेशन what they are going to ask to the bots, you never know. ठीक है, आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, इट्स बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन. ऑल आर मैच्योर्ड इनफ. सो यंग किड्स, if personalized assistant is aligned with them, and if somebody would like to know about, you know, something which he or she doesn't seen or doesn't know, this they may start asking. And if you don't have a proper control, bot will keep on replying. ठीक है, bot क्या करेगा? It's ultimately a machine. They'll keep on replying. Some controls, some, you know, sensors you can add, but it has a limit. If somebody is really smart, they can take up from the bot what it wants. ठीक है. Recently we have seen Ghibli, आपका क्या? Ghibli art. ठीक है. उसके साथ साथ दो पोस्टर्स भी बहुत वायरल हो रहे थे. एक गुड़ी वाला. Have you seen that गुड़ी वाला poster? What was there? Gandhi ji. So bot has misinterpreted something, and instead of Gudi, Gandhiji was there. Okay, and in one more poster, I don't know whether how many of you have seen, in that poster a lady is, you know, getting married with one person, और उसके हाथ बांधे हुए है या उसके हाथ में कुछ है, but Ghibli has responded, Ghibli has given an image, a child on a day of marriage. So that's the terrific outcome of bots. So yes, we have to implement this NLP, but with due attention and care. Okay, and it will be there, of course. Our technocrats are modifying or updating it. So this personalized chatbot, the enhanced user interaction, chatbot utilizes NLP to create, engage and conversational experience for students seeking assistance. ये सब देगा. Okay. Then data-driven insights, analyzing interaction helps institution improve support services and tailored resource effectively. And finally, scalable support solution. Chatbots can handle numerous inquiries simultaneously, ensuring efficient support for large student population, and not only to the student population but large number of students' queries as well. Okay. Resource management and predictive analysis. Of course, predictive analysis, machine learning, everybody knows. They are going to predict with the help of your, you know, inputs, with the help of data you have given, the interest and the rest of the things. Kitty slide, okay. Trends in NLP technology and education. Personalized learning and innovation. Streamlining administrative efficiency. Increase accessibility solutions. And finally, challenges are there, that is data privacy risk, mitigation of algorithm bias. Algorithm has some, you know, fixed kind of things. Algorithms may behave randomly. Okay, you cannot 100% rely on algorithms every time. And balancing, सबसे important. पूरे lecture का gist is there in the last statement. Balancing technology and teaching. Okay, so if somebody is saying that teachers will be replaced by AI, I am strictly in oppose of this. If you are modifying yourself, if you are able to engage your students in such a way that they are focusing yourself, they are focusing to you, then in that case nobody can replace you. But provided in that case you have to be that much capable enough. Recommendation: focus on continuous training, not only to the system but the teachers as well. Invest in technological infrastructure for enhanced experience. Encourage collaborative practices, and that's it. So this is what the coming effect of NLP in outcome-based education. We are far away from the implementation of NLP in OBE at this stage, at this juncture. That's all from my side. If you have any concerns, queries, let me know. Yes. Yes. About last lectures you are talking. Yes, I know, I understand your question. See, दैट पर्टिकुलर रेफरेंस, अब वो रेफरेंस किसका था मुझे याद नहीं है, ओके, ऑफ कोर्स. So maybe that reference could be for the OBE philosophy. It may be for the Bloom's who has given this philosophy. Philosophy means that keyword and the pyramid. So it's not the case that every time references required are of last 2 years, 3 years. This is true for research. R&D point of view it's fine, okay, because we need to refer recent literature. But if some concept is there and that concept has come into an existence 30 years back, so you can take a reference. That's not a problem. Exactly. Yes.
AI टेक्नोलॉजी को भी इसमें अगर इन्वॉल्व करते हैं तो ये अब तक जो नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज व्हाट ChatGPT वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट मोर देन 1.5 years old.
Depends. You cannot you cannot predict at this moment how long ChatGPT will be there. Maybe it will last for 10 more years, or maybe it will be replaced in a couple of years. Okay, you never know. So on every day technology is coming and it is replacing by some or other. Okay. Anything? Dhanyavad.
On behalf of entire organizing team of this FDP, I would like to thank Dr. Anup Gade sir, Dean Research and Development, for giving such a beautiful insights about natural language processing in OBE. Sir, we have attended so many FDPs, but this type of activity-based learning, it was first time happening in this session. So we were very excited and we were refreshed. Okay, so I would like to thank Dr. Anup Gade sir. I would like to call upon stage Dr. Lavlesh Yadav sir to please felicitate Dr. Anup Gade sir as a tradition of our institute, a memento as a token of love. This, sir. No, sir, not definitely, sir. So with this, session 2 of day 3 is over. I request participants to have the lunch and please gather at 2:30 p.m. here for the next session, sharp 2:30 p.m.